And I think that it's an awesome thing. You know, PSA screening is incredibly important. I was really, really excited to hear that there's going to be, how many, what was the number?
70 players.
70 players, but how many PSA screenings?
Oh, at least 30.
So at least 30 guys can get screened today. You know, that's one of the best things, because in prostate cancer generally, you know, we have to be pretty careful about how we, you know, catch people, get them screened, and then, you know, selectively pick the folks that need treatment and follow the rest of everybody. When it comes to prostate cancer specifically, you know, especially in the African American population, there's increased risk for African Americans both presenting with worse prostate cancer, as well as that if we don't catch it earlier, they have an increased risk of dying from the prostate cancer. And so events like this are phenomenal for getting the word out and making sure that we reach out to the folks that aren't getting screened to get them in to see a physician if they, you know, have positive values. Other than that, you know, I didn't prepare a whole lot of talk for today because I figured a lot of it will be question and answers, was sort of my hope. And so I think that with that, I'll wrap it up and let Janet take over, talk for a few minutes, and then when the question and answer session comes around, we'll answer all the questions that are available.
Okay, thank you.
All right, our next speaker is Dr. Jeanette Nash. I've had the pleasure of knowing Dr. Nash for many years. When we had the prostate screening program for Methodists, Dr. Nash was the very first person that we had to come out and provide digital rectal exams for us at our screening events. But understand, we're not doing that today here, guys. When I said that, probably some of you got a little bit uneasy in chairs, but we're doing the PSA testing today and want to make sure that each of you guys here today take advantage of the PSA test. Even if you've had your PSA this year, go ahead and get it today while you're here. Because, as Dr. Ray said, prostate cancer screenings are high in the African American community. And I used to tell men all the time, just because you feel fine don't mean that you are fine. So definitely get yourself checked today. Dr. Nash is an expert in the field of population health care, specializing in health disparities. Dr. Nash's career focuses on providing accurate health information and exceptional health care on the local, state, national, and international level to the medically underserved areas and populations. Dr. Nash is a graduate of the University of Oklahoma Health Science Center in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and Texas Tech University Health Science Center in Lubbock, Texas. She resides and works in the Dallas, Texas area and attend Concord Church. If you will, help me welcome Dr. Nash to stand.